My name is Bailey Baldwin. This is the Yada Yada Empanada truck stationed at Manny's Sports Bar. We got the double CVAP warmer. We got the 3 sink, currently covered up. Double-sided steam well with storage underneath. We got the whole tank water heater, hand sink, expoing station for out this window, sandwich prep cooler, a small prep table, a drink cooler, 2 full-size fryers, and a, I believe, 36-inch flat-top grill. Huge hood system that's incredibly powerful. Hot dog roller and bun warmer, and a standing-up shawarma broiler.